Imagine waking up one day knowing you never have to work another day in your life, unless you want to. No alarm clocks, no bosses, just freedom. Now let me ask you, does that sound like a dream? Or does it sound impossible? Well, here's the truth. It's entirely possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get there. But stick around till the end. One step in particular will surprise you. Act 1. The problem. The rat race. For most of us, life feels like running on a hamster wheel. You work hard, you pay bills, and then you work even harder. You feel like you're getting nowhere. It's not your fault. Society conditions us to trade our time for money, live paycheck to paycheck, and hope that someday, somehow, we'll be rich. But here's the harsh reality. Hope is not a strategy. Ever wonder why financial freedom seems reserved for the lucky few? Well, it's not luck, it's a system. And today I'll break it down for you in 7 actionable steps. Ready? Let's dive in. Act 2, the solution. 7 steps to financial freedom. Step 1, define what freedom means to you. Before you chase financial freedom, ask yourself, what does it actually mean to you? For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's traveling the world. Write it down. Be specific. Because without a clear destination, you'll wander aimlessly. Imagine Elon Musk starting SpaceX without knowing where Mars was. Kinda silly, right? Same with your money goals. Step 2, master the art of budgeting. Financial freedom begins with one word: clarity. Track every dollar. Create a budget where every cent has a job. Here's a tip. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. Most people fail because they overestimate their income and underestimate their spending. Don't be most people. Step 3, eliminate toxic debt. Debt is like a leaky bucket. You're working hard to fill it up, but it's draining out faster than you can pour. Focus on high-interest debts first, snowball or avalanche method. Pick one and attack that debt with intensity. Now you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but how do I actually grow my money? Great question. Let's talk about that next. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Life happens. Cars break down. Medical bills show up uninvited. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' expenses keeps you afloat without derailing your financial plan. It's your safety net. Think of it as a financial invisibility cloak. You're prepared for emergencies, but they never see you sweat. Step 5, invest strategically. Investing is where your money truly starts working for you. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs. They're simple, diversified, and perfect for long-term growth. Forget the temptation to time the market. Instead, focus on consistency. Investing small amounts regularly beats trying to predict the next big thing. Think of investing as planting a tree. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's grown, right? Same with your portfolio. Let it grow. Speaking of compounding, wait till you see how powerful it really is. I'll link a video on that at the end. It's a game changer. Step 6, build multiple income streams. One job is too close to zero. Diversify your income with side hustles, freelancing, or even passive income sources like dividend stocks or rental properties. More streams equal more stability and faster growth. Side hustles don't have to be boring. Who knows, your weekend Etsy shop could outperform your day job. Step 7, automate your finances, remove the guesswork. Automate your savings, investments, and bill payments. It's the easiest way to stay consistent and avoid self-sabotage. Act 3, the transformation. Why you must start now. Here's the thing. Every day you delay is another day you're working for money instead of letting your money work for you. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about having choices. The choice to spend time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and live life on your terms. If this video inspired you, don't stop here. Click on the next video on your screen to learn about the power of compounding. It's the single most important concept that will take your financial journey to the next level. Don't miss it. Your future self will thank you.